Good morning, dear hearts. We are on lesson 302, and we'll get to that in a moment. I'm going to go back to our relevant special thought that we started yesterday. What is the second coming? I'm going to read the third paragraph, talk about it, go into today's lesson. The second coming ends the lessons that the Holy Spirit teaches, making way for the last judgment, in which learning ends in one last summary that will extend beyond itself and reaches up to God. That's one sentence. The last judgment. The last judgment is an idea that has caused lots of fear in this world. It has caused some great paintings to be done as well. But the tone of all of these paintings and the tone of the thought of the Last Judgment is one of fear. It is one of us coming to the reckoning of what God thinks of us and all of the sins that we have committed. And now, where will we spend eternity? But A Course in Miracles teaches us otherwise. A Course in Miracles teaches us that the Last Judgment is simply the last time that we make a judgment. It is the last time that we have a resentment. It is the last time that we have a condemnation. And when that has occurred, now the second coming the way has been cleared for the second coming to arrive. The reaches up to God. The second coming is the time in which all minds are given to the hands of Christ to be returned to spirit in the name of true creation and the will of God. So the last judgment is not something to be feared. It is something to be welcomed, that we come to this point where all of our lessons that we have been given, have been offered to us by the Holy Spirit, have been accomplished. And what happens when the learning is complete? Atonement has been accomplished as well. Salvation is here. Forgiveness is has been used to the extent that it was needed. And so after forgiveness has also been accomplished, okay, might be redundant. Forgiveness has been accomplished, achieved, let's say achieved, then all of the thoughts that we have will be of love, and in which all minds have been given into the hands of Christ. All minds have been joined in love. All minds have been purified of all of the thoughts that we have had from the ego mind, and we realize that is no longer our desire. We have no need of the ego, and I've been saying this every day lately. We simply lay it down. The ego has no source. The ego now has no hold on us. It has no power over us or through us or in us. We have no need of the ego, and so we turn away from it because it has become useless. The lesson for today is, where darkness was, I look upon the light. So we can see how the third paragraph weaves so beautifully into this, because now all of the lessons have been learned. The light has come. I look upon the light because the darkness is no more. It used to be, but now it is no more. And that reminds me, and I just want to mention lesson 247, because it is another way of saying this and thinking of this, that without forgiveness, I will still be blind. But with forgiveness, the light has come into my mind so that I truly can see with Christ's vision. Father, our eyes are opening at last, is how the lesson begins in the prayer portion. Your holy world awaits us as our sight is finally restored and we can see. We can only see in light, and we know that in this world as well. Close your eyes. What will you see? Nothing. It is dark. Go into a dark room without any illumination. There will be nothing for you to see. You might try to make out a few shadows, but you will not see and see truly. We can only see in the light and with the light. We thought we suffered, but we had forgot the Son whom you created. Now we see the darkness is our own imagining, and light is there for us to look upon. The darkness was simply the imagining, the false thoughts that came to us through the ego mind. It was our imagining. Remember, it's an inside job. It happened in here. I thought I saw it out there, but it only happened within my mind. Christ's vision changes darkness into light, for fear must disappear when love has come. Fear and love do not coexist. We will choose one or the other. If I choose love, then there is no fear. I choose God. There is no fear. Let me forgive your holy world today, that I may look upon its holiness and understand it but reflects my own. Your holy world, that is the world that I believe I am in, but I do not see it as holy. I see it as a place of suffering and pain. Let me forgive it today. Let me forgive your holy world so that I may see it in the light that is really all around me. Heaven is here. There's no other place. Let me see the light that is all around me, the light that is all encompassing. And now I will realize that the light in the world, the light in my brother, the light that I see everywhere, that radiance is within me as well. I will see, extend or project whatever is within my thoughts, my mind. Our love awaits us as we go to him and walks beside us, showing us the way. He fails in nothing. He, the end we seek, and he, the means by which we go to him. Who walks with us? God walks with us. Our elder brother walks with us. The Holy Spirit walks with us. And the entire sonship walks with us. We are not alone in anything. We are always a part of. So today, where darkness was, I now am able to look upon the light. I can look upon the light now. The darkness is gone, and all I see is the reflection of the light of God's holy world. And that's it for today. I hope it helped. Please like, share, and subscribe. I don't know if I said subscribe in the beginning, but it's okay. And please smile. Smile at all of your brothers today, at everyone you meet, at everyone you think of. Send your smile to them and see how much light you can discover within you. Namaste.